In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can contact DHL customer service. You can directly talk to the DHL customer service in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Safari. It can be any other browser of your own choice. On the search bar, type in dhl.com. Right here on the DHL official customer support site, you will have to enter your tracking number first. Then they will provide a contact of someone in charge of your products. If you're having an emergency, you can go ahead and send DHL a direct message through their socials. Just scroll to the very bottom end of this page. Choose any of their social media platforms and send them a direct message. They will immediately respond back. That's how easy it is to contact DHL customer support. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.